Hey guys, Nathan UT12 here. Today we're going to be doing a Futwiz pack opening. And if you don't know what Futwiz is like the database of FIFA 15, and you can open packs. And in the packs, like every pack you get a good player. Some packs you don't, but most packs you do. I got Messi in my first pack last video, which I haven't uploaded yet. So that video, you might see it before this video, you might not see it. So that's the team of the week, but you get random team of the week players in packs. Like, I could get an informed Messi in this pack even though he's not in form anymore. First pack, let's see what we get. Did I see Royce then? Terrible. But that pack was okay, 3 8+ rated players. And that we get. That was also a really bad pack. We're going to open 10 of these packs. So 8 more. In form. Not the best in form, but it was okay. Alright, 7 more packs left after this one. 2 informs, and Ramirez, and Sterling. That's a really good pack. Next pack. Walker. Not a very good pack. 5 more packs now. Not a very good pack there, that was rubbish. Next pack. 4 more packs left. Daddy Alves, not bad, but not good. Next pack. Oh, Gundogan and Navas and De Rossi. Not a bad pack. 2 more packs left then. Kaká, De Rossi and William. Bit of money there, not a lot. Gary K. Aguero! Alright, we'll open 1 more pack after this, even though we're 6 packs. We'll just open this, and then I'll end the video here. Right, that was a rubbish pack. But, bye guys, thanks for watching, and see you later.